Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I have for you a limited edition from CJRB. So finally they are continuing the series with the Micarta, which is not limited to a specific dealer but is limited to the quantity. So 500 pieces are made and they are distributed to the world. One of my dealers finally get the one of these, so I jumped in and bought one. So this is the CJRB Cutlery Prado. The model number is J1936B-ODG because it's OD green Micarta handle scales with a polished AR-SFII blade. So the configuration is sand polished and we have a clip point blade on this one. So hopefully I will not forget to mention it when we coming to that point. So standard bonus microfiber cloth, nice felt lined pouch, the baggie here, and the beautiful knife itself. So this is designed by Laconico. He is a well-known knife designer. He also did release a new design which looks really nice. So if you are a fan of Laconico, you can get lots of his design at affordable prices nowadays because he collaborates with different knife companies. So let me give the specification really quickly. So we have over length of 21.5 centimeters. This is 8.46 inches. So we have a handful full-size EDC knife. This is envisioned as a robust everyday carry for Ray, like he mentioned that in the description of the product. And the blade is 9.5 centimeters or 3.7 inches. The blade width is 3 centimeters or 1.1 inch, thickness 2.6 millimeters, so 0.1 inch, so nice slicing capabilities right there. With a handle length of 12 centimeters, 4.7 inches, with a thickness of 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inches, that is without measuring the width of the pocket clip. So the main feature here is of course the blade. CJRB will release coming forward more knives in this blade configuration. So it is AR-SFII. As far as I could understand, it is a proprietary spring form method how to make steel, and it has similar attributes as AR-SFII, which is currently used with CJRB, and it has better toughness, better edge retention, and has easy to sharpen and fine grain structure. So if you like to know more, then check out the steel on the website. Okay, the sand polish, like they call it, is, to me, it look like a standard satin finish. I would prefer, as you know me, a nice deep stone washing for my EDC knives, but well, it is what it is. As far as the handle goes, we have a nice OD green contoured natural canvas micarta. I would prefer if they were brown, but in the past they released 2 or 3 models with this configuration with this micarta, and they are continuing the series. There will be also a pyrite buoy, small pyrite buoy in this configuration, which I did order finally. I hope it will come soon. And the second model which was announced is a Hectare Alt. So that will be also a 7.31 inch. So for me, rather on the smaller size, but yeah. We have a beautifully designed nested liners, which are deeply skeletonized. So this is a great job done by CJRB. Lots of milling went into it, and that reflects also the price. We have open construction, so 2 standoffs right there, and also a post or barrel for your lanyard mounting option. So if you prefer have a lanyard, then you can have it without a hole through the scale. As far as pocket clip goes, has medium to stiff tension, folded over deep carry, true deep carry, and polished finish. Ambidextrous, so my left-handed users, friends, this is a true ambidextrous knife. Opening method, we have only this thumb hole here. Can you nicely slow roll it or middle finger flick it. Rides smoothly on the caged ceramic ball bearing washer, so this is a really nice action here. As far as the centering goes, a little bit to the left, maybe just a tad. As far as sharpness goes, let me show you the. So this is a really nice, super slicey blade. Okay, let me show you the pocket profile right here. So nice deep carry. It almost looks like a pen. If the pocket clip will be a little bit narrower, then it will look like a pen. Okay, let me try. Check also the lock. So perfectly sturdy. CJRB done a really good job on this one. And that also reflects the pricing. So this is probably the only downside of this limited edition series. But yes, they cannot be $50–$60. So the price is currently on the website is $99.99 US. Here in Europe, they go for around 110. It depends on the dealer and if they are willing to give you any discounts. Like I mentioned, this is a limited edition for 500 pieces. So let me zoom in on the blade. I will show you here. So CJRB on one side, and we have Laconico's logo and the name, and there is I have 071 from 500. Hopefully you can see it because the lights are not playing together with me today. So there is the model number and the AR-SFII blade configuration or designation. Now, if you can get a discount, then go for it. If you can stomach the $100, then I will say go for it also, because this is a really nice knife, and having a design for like Laconico is for around $100 is still cheap in my opinion. Some of his designs are more expensive, but it depends on the manufacturer. The quality is definitely here. You have a better steel, nice micarta. This is a natural canvas, so it will darken up a little bit if you're using it. And I don't know if I mentioned the weight, so sorry I forgot. If not, I will tell you again. So it is 90.2 grams or 3.2 ounces. So just let it sink in. You have almost 8.5 inch full size blade with under, so almost 3 ounces weight. So yeah, the CJRB engineers did really good on this one. Now the micarta here reminds me on the Tucson, is used on some of his models. As you can see, this is a little bit darker because I did have to clean these with alcohol because yeah, it came a little bit dirty, but sometimes they are drenched in oil, these Tucson knives, so they will come preloaded for you, so you don't have to yeah, but it's not good. So this is how it looks like if it is fresh out of the blaster, sandblaster. Now, which one? This is the Tepe design. Sorry, I don't have the model number here with me. Now, let me show you the size comparisons. So let's bring out a couple of CJRBs here. So the biggest one is still the Frac. Hopefully these will also be released in the limited edition or some other micarta version. Unfortunately, They are only in stainless steel with a full black or this satin. Sorry, is this stone washed? Yeah, this is nice stone washed blade. So I will prefer this one on this here. Anyway, I'm digressing. So let's continue with the CJRB Pyrite Old Large Light. It's a mouthful. Then the small one, this is a dealer exclusive from Knife Center, and here is also a Knife Center exclusive CJRB Feldspar, full-sized. So here is the lineup. Let's continue with other knives. Here on the table. So I don't know. Let's do a couple of Kaisers. So here is the Milico, another beautiful EDC configuration and functional design. Let me grab the Baglighter 2. Sorry about that. Here is the Benchmade Bug Out. Here is the Red Model 1, a venerable design by now. Let's do a full-size Benchmade Reptilian. Here's one of my favorite EDCs, the Ace Grand from Giant Mouse. Now let's do also the trio. So this is the Vosti Raccoon, QSP Penguin, and of course CVV Momentum. So a couple of best-selling medium-sized Micarta models from these two companies. And let's continue with the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Let me grab also some venerable design, the 710, the OG 710. Finally, Benchmade realized that they have to give the customers what they need, and they re-released this one with updated configuration. So yeah, still love this knife. Okay, let's do a full-sized Recon 1. As you can see, a much larger knife. And the Best Techman Dundee, another excellent EDC. This is a Knives and Tools exclusive with linen micarta. Let's do the QSP Volt. And also Tucson 111. Let's see the Spyderco Endura. From the budget line, from Berker, the Magnum, here's the Toxicofera. If you don't have the money, you don't want to spend that money on a random budget, then around under $30, get yourself a Toxicofera. Yes, this will be not the same, but you will have a really nice micarta working knife with, I would say, really decent configuration. Yes, this will be a far cry on steel. It is using 440A or B or C, whatever. But yeah, if on a budget, this is a decent knife. Okay, so let's do the little old Rough Red Peanut, and let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier folding hunter, another lightweight design. So, if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. I always appreciate my subscribers watching my videos, letting me know what they think about the product and also what you're thinking about the video itself. Please, if you have any suggestions to improve myself, then just let me know. With that being said, I would like to thank you for watching, and I would like to wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.